Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on fingerprint lock for your WhatsApp app. For that, first of all, open your WhatsApp app. Then click on the menu option, which is the three dot icon that you can see on the upper right corner. From here select settings. From here select account. Then select privacy. Then scroll down and here you can find the fingerprint lock option. So just click it. From here turn on the unlock fingerprint option. From here touch your fingerprint to confirm it. Now the fingerprint lock on your WhatsApp app is successfully turned on. There are also two fingerprint options that you can manage. You can decide when the WhatsApp app should get locked. The options are immediately, after 1 minute and after 30 minutes. So you can choose any one of these options. And if you want to show WhatsApp content in your phone notification without unlocking your WhatsApp, you can also do that. If you turn it on, you will see a preview of sender and message text inside new message notifications. So anyway, I hope this is helpful for you guys and see you guys on the next video.